So I'm here with Roz, who is the family of one of the chiefs of our local village here in Pango. And today she's going to be helping us with some of her friends make LapLap. And it's delicious with just about any main meal. You can have it as a sort of starchy vegetable, root vegetable to have with your meal. So let's have some fun and see how this awesome, original, traditional Vanuatu dish is made. Good. Okay, so to make LapLap you need some raw ingredients. You need some Manioc, and it comes from the market wrapped in a palm basket, so plastic free, which is amazing. And this will get peeled, and it's a white fleshy root, and then rasped with this here to make like a, what do you call that, like a pudding, like a soft mixture. Then we use these old coconuts here, and these ones we take the water out, and then they scrape the insides with this tool here. What do you call this one? Also a rasp or no? Like a rasp. So they use this here and they scrape this here to get the flesh out of the inside of the coconut, which they then use to make coconut milk. How's that taste, Hugo?
I like it. It tastes good. Coconut oil.
And they mix the coconut milk with the manioc until they have a nice sort of pudding consistency, and then it gets wrapped in banana leaves.
I didn't know my music. We should send this to know that. They'll love it.
That's a good idea.
And while all that's happening, there's a fire taking place, and we're heating up these stones to make a bush oven, essentially. So there's these river stones here, which get heated up. And once the LapLap's all wrapped up in the green leaves, then you take all the coals off the fire and you put the hot stones on top. And that makes this beautiful, delicious dish. And sometimes the local people put different things in there. You put things like island spinach, yeah. Sometimes you put some chicken in there. Sometimes you put some fish in there. But our favorite is the sweet LapLap, which is just the plain LapLap. Yeah, it's the best one, our favorite. And then you put fresh coconut milk on it at the end. Here we go, looks so good.
How lucky are we, right?
Yeah.
You guys are already eating? He's already eating so much, he's going to be so full.
What do you think, Hugo? It's good? You like it?
Huh?
Nice.